Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to process large furnished items and other large items that come out of a fire environment. This particular piece is a piece of hardwood furniture from an upstairs bedroom in a house that was impacted by a fire. It was not in close proximity to the source of the fire or exposed to excessive heat. However, because the HVAC was running at the time of the fire, it did suffer some mild to moderate smoke and soot damage. You're going to see here the technician is going to employ the first technique, which is dry soil removal. In this particular instance, we're going to accomplish that with a HEPA vacuum equipped with a soft bristle brush. This is going to allow her to remove the most large particulate matter she can without employing an aggressive technique. The next thing you'll see she does is she has disassembled the furniture and removed the drawers so that she can employ a chem sponge or a dry cleaning sponge to remove as much soot from all unfinished areas of wood as she can. She will continue to repeat this process until such time as she achieves little to no soil transfer on the soot sponge. Once this step is complete, she can then move on to a wet cleaning process. In this particular example, we are using a mild to moderately alkaline detergent solution. This is going to allow her to get the pH level of the soot back to a much more neutral position, allowing it to be removed from the surfaces more easily. You'll notice that she is using a smaller brush to be able to access smaller areas and crevices and crooks in the furniture so that she can achieve the most odor removal and soot removal as possible. Once wet cleaning is complete, she's going to allow that surface to dry, and at that point she can reevaluate the piece to determine if there is any remaining or residual smoke odor. If she finds that to be the case, she can then move on to some deodorization techniques, such as the employment of an oxidizer, such as ozone. In this particular example, she was not able to detect any residual odors. She can move on to the final step in her process, which is employing an oil-based polish to recondition and restore the wood finishes to their pre-loss condition. Once the piece has been allowed to acclimate and the oil-based polish can be absorbed into the finishes, it is now ready to be repackaged and stored for redelivery to the homeowner. Okay, so that completes the process, and this is what your piece should look like when you're done with remediation. Thank you for watching.